What we have here is a finished product, and it is sanitary clean. I want you to see firsthand just how they're going. Here it is. There was a sewer backup. We mainly focused on the floor, and we left it sanitary clean all over. It is clean enough to eat off. Not saying that you would, but it's sanitary clean. Up under the steps, the floors, we rearranged the items so the air could circulate, and just left it detailed clean. This is the business we're in, and we're gonna service you as well. So just take a look. We ripped the carpet up around the bar too for them. Yeah, we're more than a we're mechanical crew too. So, and let me say this here too now, for your FYI. If you're gonna paint your basement floor, be sure to primer it first. It's called prepping. Because if you don't, the paint that you put down, you might as well not have put it down at all. Just didn't put none down. It's it'll flake back up. So it was very lightly pressure washing so it would not flake. But other than that, they're in good hands, as you can see for yourself too. So I thank you. You can contact us at 414-305-3074 or on the web at efficientcleaning.com. And you can link on all our social sites to see all that we do. And we like to work with you as well. I bought it. Let me take some more to do. I don't think I'll finish this up yet. It's all detailed. He's doing the final inspections. So we didn't miss anything. I thank you, and I'd love to hear from you. 414-305-3074, Efficient Cleaning. Find us on the web at efficientcleaning.com, or you can find us where you're looking at us right now. Whatever site you want. I thank you. Bye-bye.